I just bought a sub 2 recently. My seller has informed me that the insurance company voided the insurance policy due to the sale of the property. Is this the normal way it's done? What should I do to insure the property? Well, first of all, in the process of taking a property subject to, insurance is one of the things that you should already have ready to go. And what I advise our students to do is to, before you ever buy your first house, find an insurance company that you can have a conversation with, that understands what you do, that you can explain the process and ask them if they're willing to work with you. If you like to use trust, you need to make sure that they understand trust and that they're okay with them. That can be a challenge at times, but that's something you should already have lined up, because the way you want this thing to work is you have to understand 99 times out of 100, the insurance that's going to be on a property that you take over subject to is going to be owner occupied uh, insurance. The second that you take title to that property, unless you plan to move into it, uh, it's no longer going to be owner occupied. And even if you do plan on moving into it, the seller's insurance isn't going to be good anymore because they're listed as the primary loss payee. So normally the way you want to handle this, if this is investment property and you're not moving into it, you want to have a non-owner occupied policy. Some people call them a landlord policy. You want to have that ready to go, and your insurance company should be able to handle that for you. They can bill the escrow account with the lender, and have that thing ready to go and in place the second that you take title. Then if you do this thing the way we teach, you're going to take your power of attorney, you're going to contact your seller's insurance company and cancel that policy and have the refund mailed to you to apply toward your new policy. So that's really the way you need to handle that. Now, if you don't do this, you're not going to be insured. And the insurance company, of course, your seller's insurance company, if they find out what's happened, they will cancel that policy. Or at the very least, they'll leave it in place, collect the premium, and won't give you any coverage. So if you have a claim, it's not going to be honored. So yes, insurance is a key component. And honestly, what I tell most people is the due on sale clause is really a non-issue. And the two biggest reasons it could become an issue will be, first, not making the payments on time, and number two, not handling insurance properly. Now, if you have questions on how to handle insurance, we've got articles at sub2deals.com, and we've also got videos on our YouTube channel, so you can go check that out. But the article at sub2deals.com will lay out in step-by-step instruction on how you need to handle your insurance. So that's super important, and you definitely want to get that taken care of.